Welcome to Dobby Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this instalment, we have these wire strippers from Temu. They're quite a handy little set of wire strippers. They have a few extra features as well, being wire strippers. They've got a little plier end here for grabbing stuff. They've got a little latch to lock them. They've got the crimper parts just here. They've also got bolt breakers. I haven't used that part because I haven't got any bolts small enough to go through there. We've also got an 8 and a 10mm hex for doing some fasteners. It's quite difficult to undo fasteners with that, but you can do it. Got a little wire twister here and a little wire splitter here for splitting cable, and the stripper parts just here, and a little wire cutter here. So let me just quickly grab a bit of wire so you can actually see it doing some stripping. Let me put it away. There we go. Yeah. And it works relatively well. Just select the right size for wire you're stripping. Probably that one just there. And yeah, it strips wires without damaging them, which is quite nice. And yeah, I picked these up from Temu. Quite good. Let's show you a few other features. I've got this little blade on the edge here, and that I'm reliably informed. Just let me lock it up quickly. It's for doing this with, so you can shave down the outer casing if you need to. It's quite messy. We've also got little cutters just in here, so let me cut on, but if you pinch them like this you can twist it or get a new piece, but you can cut it like that with these little cutters here. And yeah, like I said, get in the right spot, give it a couple of twists. Get a thermal grip on it and pull it off. You can strip these as well, which is pretty handy. And that's what I've mainly been using these for, wiring plugs and stuff. But it does work fairly well as a wire stripper. I'm not sure about all these extra little gimmicks. Obviously you've got the wire splitter here too, so you'd feed this down here like so. Once you get to the right point, I'm going the wrong way. Gotta go the sharp blade way. The blade is on this side. And yeah, you just push it through and you can split the cables down the middle. Does damage it slightly if you're not careful, and that is the main thing about these, because they're trying to be everything. They're not great at one particular job. They are pretty handy to have. The wire strippers are very useful in tight spots, and that's what I've mainly been using them for, like tight spots or for wiring plugs. Anything too fine or too delicate I wouldn't use them for. But I'm going to move on to my final thoughts now, and yeah, they're quite a handy little set of wire strippers, and I'm going to give them a 3-spanner rating. They're not the best, but they're not the worst either. I guess the only thing you've got to watch out for is this blade just here, because it is quite sharp and you can cut yourself when you reach into the tool bag or toolbox. But apart from that, for stripping wire they're really good, but I wouldn't worry about the other gimmicky stuff. Worth picking up if you need a cheap set of wire strippers though. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps both the channel and me out. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I post 2 videos a week, so by subscribing you'll never miss a thing. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Here at Dobby Repairs, we're all about helping you learn how to work on your vehicle safely and showing you don't need to spend a fortune on tools to get the job done. Want to support the channel further? Become a member, starting at just 99p. Members get perks like early access to videos and more exclusive content. Keep fixing, and I'll see you in the next one.